Guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to see how I got this blue cut crease, you guys make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hitting the post notification bell to subscribe button, and also check out my last video I uploaded as well. But let's get straight right into the video. Alright, you guys, so we got the one eye done in brown. Now we're going to go ahead and get in with the other one, which I used the Zulu palette for the blue, the brown, and the dark brown from the Soft Glam. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution C9 on this side so we can go ahead and get this eye going. Okay. And I also use the pigment by NYX Diamonds for the front of my eye where the shimmer is. So I'm going to blend that out. And I also use the Wet n Wild matte primer for my face. Okay, y'all. Y'all don't get me wrong. I might say it wrong. If you got it, it's the brown right next to the black. Now I'm just going to just like this. And I'm going to try to start not trying to get the color all in the corner of my eye like I always do. I'm trying to work on that. I'm really trying to work on it for real. It's just this eye is so poofy and it's so much like a different shape that sometimes it just don't work. Now I'm going in with Sienna. And I'm just overlapping the colors. And I'm just going to kind of stop about here because I know how I get. I have it all on the corner of my eye. I don't know why. I'm just blending these colors together and kind of going down the side a little bit. Trying to see how it's starting to build up right there. My dang color. Always want to get in that corner. The only brown in the Zulu by Juvia's Place. I'm going to put it right here on the top. And I'm just going to blend that out. Blend it in together. Trying to keep it the circular motion. I mean the circular shape of my eye, but this one always tends to just come out. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know. Brown, I'm just gonna go right here. I'm gonna tap in and give me a little black and go right here as well. Kind of bring out that color some more right there. Alright, so got my crease. How to get that cleaned up. We'll fix that. Alright, y'all. Let's fill in. Trying to wipe off that side part. Bring it down some. Alright, now I'm going to take my brush. What did I just do with it? I'm going to take my 505 and I'm just going to go in like that with a little bit of these colors just so it'll fade some. like that. And then I'll just go over it with the blue, which means press and sweep. That's what I'm doing, pressing and sweeping. Hope y'all can see me. Hold on. Okay. Press and sweep. My stomach is growling. My stomach is hungry. Alright, so now I gotta press it in. I'm trying to press it in where the line is, because I don't want to sweep and mess up my crease up there. I'm kind of like pressing in, kind of like stamping my color on instead of wiping back and forth, packing it on, if that makes any sense. And I'm just bringing it like that. And we got our color on. Like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that first, then I'll do my pigment. I'm gonna fill this in, fill this pigment in. I'm not gonna go too high up with my wing in the front area, because normally I just let my lash take over that part. So yeah. Alright, so now we got on our Makeup Revolution in the shade C9. C9 it is. I don't never use banana powder, but today I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm going to use the banana powder today. Usually I use lace, but I'm going to use banana powder. I want to see how that looks today. Okay. Let's go ahead and blend this out where it needs to be. Okay. You have to move past this junk. This junk will try to dry up on your whole face, which I think it already did that under my eye. Yeah. I already tried to do it under my eye. Trying to hurry up and blend it out, because it will dry up on you. Okay. That on me. And I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution, my Black Radiance, and I'm going to contour some milk chocolate contour powder. I'm going to just contour this out real quick before I add my powder and set all my areas. I'm just going to take that like that, because I need to I needed to God darn it, where's my C9? There we go. I need to put a line here, a line here, and highlight that area real quick before I'm gonna put banana powder here and banana powder here. Set that. I'm gonna put banana powder under here, all right here, wherever I place the concealer. We're gonna put banana powder. I'm gonna put banana powder on that nose and here. We just, when we wait and we wait. you. We let it sit. Okay, now we're going to take our lip liner in Espresso. Okay. I'm going to take this color Carol by NYX. Set that down. I got my liner. Alright. It's supposed to dry matte. I don't know if it is going to dry matte, or if I should wait. But I want to put a little gloss on it. Just a little bit. And there we go. Alright.